Hey guys, it's Don coming to you from Gold's Gym in Middletown on behalf of Newburgh and Middletown Gold's Gym. Friendly reminder, we all have to do our part spraying down equipment when we're done using it. To do this properly, you have your hand towel. Grab one of the sanitizing bottles that are located all over the gym. Spray the hand towel directly, nice and close. Don't spray it here, don't spray the equipment, because what happens is the fumes start to drift and people get annoyed. So spray the towel nice and close, wipe down all of the padding, also wipe down where your hands have been, wipe down the hand grips. If you're using cardio equipment, wipe down the cardio. If you're using dumbbells, please wipe down your dumbbells after you return them to the rack. So important that we're all doing our part to contribute to a safe, sanitized environment. When you check into the gym, you'll be asked to show your hand towel. If this is in your bag, you're gonna be stopped and asked to pull it out, show your hand towel as you check in. If you forgot your hand towel, we sell them at the desk for $1, but this is mandatory when you check into the club. Now, if you're out on the fitness floor and you observe members using equipment and walking away without wiping it down, please say something to them. Give them a friendly reminder. We're all in this together. We all have to do our part. And by doing so, we will continue to maintain the safest, sanitized environments so we all can stay healthy and strong for the long-term future. Thanks for helping.